What's your name? Where you from?
Sellers from Bucks County.
Yeah!
John from Bucks County.
Both of you guys over here have saved the best for last, guys. The bravest thing any of our extras can do. So watch me closely. When I'm done, the two of you are going to do it exactly. It's simple. It goes like this. And okay, hold your poses. Hold your poses. There you go, hold your poses. Give it up for them, they did a great job. What are you doing? Hey, hold your poses. Hold it. Hold it. There you go. Now, sometimes extras you have to hold these poses for hours. Should we leave them like this?
Yeah!
Oh, you guys are bad. We're going to have fun. She got your poses now.